Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer subscriptions with Disney Plus detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your subscriptions with Disney Plus, begin by ensuring you have your current account information ready. Log into your existing Disney Plus account on your device. Navigate to the account settings section, typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Locate the account tab and select it to access your subscription details. Note down the email address associated with your current subscription. If you are transferring between platforms, check the compatibility of your existing device with Disney Plus. Next, choose the new platform or device where you plan to transfer your subscription. Download and install the Disney Plus app on your new device, if applicable. Once installed, open the app and select the login option. Enter the same email address you noted earlier, along with your password. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu on your new device. Look for the Manage Subscriptions section to verify if your account details have been successfully transferred. If prompted, confirm any changes or agreements necessary for the transfer process. For family sharing, ensure you add additional accounts under the Family section if required. Check your payment details to ensure they are up to date and aligned with your subscription plan. After all settings are confirmed, finalize any prompts or actions to complete the transfer. Test your new setup by streaming a title from Disney Plus. If you encounter issues, consult the help section or customer service on Disney Plus for further assistance. Once you're all set, enjoy your favorite movies and shows seamlessly on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.